Hey everybody! Welcome back to the channel! Today we're tackling a subject near and dear to any gardener's heart: mulch. We're gonna dig into why mulch is so important, and we'll explore some different types that might just change your gardening game. So grab your shovels, folks, and let's get our hands dirty. First up, we got wood chips. Think of those beautiful reddish-brown nuggets you see piled high at the garden center. Wood chips are like a warm blanket for your soil, keeping it cool during scorching summer months and preventing it from drying out too quickly. Plus, they're tough on weeds, blocking out the sunlight those pesky invaders need to grow. As they decompose, they release nutrients back into the soil, kind of like a slow-release fertilizer. Just spread a nice, even layer a few inches thick and let them do their thing. One thing to keep in mind with wood chips: they can attract termites if they're piled up against your house or wooden structures. Overall, wood chips are a solid choice for most gardens, providing a great balance of moisture retention, weed suppression, and slow-release nutrients. Next up is straw, and let me tell you, this stuff is a rock star in the vegetable garden. It acts like a natural temperature regulator, keeping those veggie roots cool and comfy even when the sun's beating down. Straw is also a champ at holding in moisture. A thick layer of straw will make it a whole lot harder for those unwanted guests to crash your veggie party. By the time the next growing season rolls around, that straw will have decomposed into beautiful, rich compost, adding tons of nutrients back into your soil. Talk about a win-win. Just be sure to get straw that's free of seeds. You don't want to end up with a surprise crop of wheat or hay mixed in with your tomatoes. Now let's talk about a mulch that often gets overlooked: grass clippings. Grass clippings are like a nutrient-packed green smoothie for your soil. They're chock full of nitrogen, which is essential for healthy plant growth. And the best part? They break down super fast, releasing those nutrients back into the soil in a hurry. When it comes to using grass clippings, a little goes a long way. You can even mix them in with other types of mulch like wood chips or straw to create a nutrient-rich blend. One important thing to remember: if you're using chemical fertilizers or herbicides on your lawn, you'll want to avoid using those clippings in your garden. But if you're going the natural route with your lawn care, grass clippings can be a fantastic way to give your garden a free and easy nutrient boost. Moving on to something a little different: pine needles. Pine needles create a slightly acidic environment as they decompose, which acid-loving plants like blueberries, rhododendrons, and azaleas thrive in. Pine needles are also great at retaining moisture and suppressing weeds, just like our other mulches. And because they're lightweight, they won't compact your soil, allowing for good air circulation around those plant roots. You can usually find pine needles for free if you live near a wooded area. Just be sure to collect them from an area that hasn't been treated with any pesticides or herbicides. So, if you're looking for a natural and inexpensive way to mulch your acid-loving plants, pine needles are definitely worth considering. Last but definitely not least, we've got the king of all mulches: compost. This stuff is like magic for your garden, transforming kitchen scraps and yard waste into a nutrient-rich goldmine that your plants will absolutely love. Compost is full of beneficial microorganisms that help create healthy, fertile soil. It improves soil structure, making it easier for roots to grow and access water and nutrients. You can use compost as a top dressing for your garden beds, spreading a layer a few inches thick around your plants. Or you can mix it into the soil when you're planting. And here's a bonus tip: you can even add crushed eggshells to your compost pile. Eggshells are a great source of calcium, which is essential for strong plant cell walls. So there you have it, folks. A crash course in the wonderful world of mulch. From classic wood chips to nutrient-packed compost, there's a mulch out there for every type of garden and every type of gardener. Now get out there, get your hands dirty, and give your garden the mulch treatment it deserves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Happy gardening!